Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk to you about more examples of predicates and quantifiers. So this is a question from a university, so this is quite complex and confusing, so that's why I chose this. Hope you guys understand this, and let's get started. So these functions represent these statements, so let's mark them up. So it's easier for us to understand when we are solving the question. So suppose that the universe of discourse is the set of animals. So remember we wrote ax or ex, where we put values of x, values in that, like in the function p of x we put values of x, and for that we would get a result, it's true or false. So that's why we put write x here, because for all values of x something, for some values of x something. In this case, this x represents animals. Okay, so moving on, express each of the following statements using quantifiers and logical connectives and these functions. So the first question, so A, no animals except giraffes are 15 feet or higher. So no animals, so that means all animals, right? So all, I actually wrote A instead of inversing it. So not all animals except giraffes. So except giraffes. So giraffes are gx. So except, so not gx, and are 15 feet or higher, and the yellow line represents x is 15 feet or higher, so fx. But it says no animals except giraffes, so we put a not sign here. So what did we do here? So this says not all animals, this says not giraffes, this says not 15 feet or higher. So the whole statement gives us this, the actual question, that not all animals are 15 feet or higher, and they are not giraffes. Like only giraffes are 15 feet or higher, other animals aren't. Coming to the next question, there are no animals in that zoo that belong to anyone but me. So no animals, that means all animals in that zoo that belong to anyone. So in that zoo is the green one, so zx, that belongs to me, right? So that belongs to anyone but me, so which means that belongs to me, right? So that is mx. So we put implication sign here. So finally this means that all animals that are in the zoo belong to me, because suppose I'm the owner of the zoo, so all the animals that are in the zoo would definitely belong to me. So the second one is done. Let's go to the third one. I have some animals, so e of x less than 15 feet high. So x is 15 feet high, so I have, it says, so that means that it belongs to me. So that is mx, and it says, the question says less than 15 feet high, right? So it would be not 15 feet high. We put implications, no, we put and sign here, because all the animals that, so the finally this is, I have some animals that belong to me and that are less than 15 feet high. So you own the giraffe, you own the zoo, right? So all animals, there are different types of animals, suppose A, B, C, D, and Z. Z is the giraffe. So you have all the animals. So all the animals, these are less than 15 feet high. So as you own the zoo, that means these animals that are less than 15 feet high are also owned by you. Okay, so let's move on to fourth question. Not all animals in the zoo are giraffes. So not all, so we put not sign and all universal quantifier, and it says in the zoo. So in the zoo is ZX, so ZX is the green one. In the zoo are giraffes, so the black one represents GX, so and GX. So the whole function, sorry my G looks a little bad here, let's try to, yeah. So this quantifier says that not all animals here, not all animals that I own are giraffes. And let's look at the final one. Okay, so does D follow A, B, and C? If not, is there a correct conclusion? So we have to look at the whole question now and try to come up with a conclusion. So does D. So D says not all animals in this zoo are giraffes. So as I said before, so let's say this is the zoo. There are A, B, C, D, and Z type of animals, right? So not all animals in the zoo are giraffes. So this says it all, right? Because we have other animals too, except giraffes. Follow from A, B, and C. So A, no animals except giraffes are 15 feet or high. So only the giraffes are 15 feet. There are no animals in that zoo that belong to anyone but me. So I own the zoo. So all of these animals belong to me. I have some animals less than 15 feet. So these are less than 15 feet. So finally we can say not animals in this zoo are giraffes. So this satisfies because I own that zoo. I have other animals too. So D does follow A, B, and C. So I know this question is quite complex, and hope I was able to make you understand all of this. If not, I would be posting the links and the notes of my copy, and hope you guys understand it. And I would be also posting some links here so you guys can practice more stuff. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and put a like on the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.